Hello, fellow techies and friends. Welcome to Crua. Waking up in a field in the countryside may not be everyone's idea of a holiday, but thankfully our list of the best camping gadgets is here to make your outdoor expedition as comfortable as possible. Our pick of the top camping tech aims to stop you craving those home comforts you miss, whether it's a hot coffee or simply a dry t-shirt. From portable cooking equipment to outdoor lighting that charges your phone, our pick of the best camping gadgets helps, if you're looking for an escape to make the most functional and fun camping experience. Number 7. Geopress Purifier Bottle. Geopress is the fastest, simplest, most versatile water purifier in the world. It provides one-press purification, for international travel, outdoor adventure, and survival. Virus is found in drinking water in virtually all developing countries. It's also wasteful and a burden on the planet to purchase water bottles for international adventure travel. With Geopress, anyone can tap into the world's water sources and safely drink from sketchy spigots, hotel sinks, murky rivers, wells or lakes. Each batch of purifier cartridges that they make are thoroughly tested and meet or exceed United States Environmental Protection Agency's National Drinking Water Standard. Designed for international travelers, adventure junkies, survivalists, backpackers, hikers, campers, fly fishermen, survivalists, and anyone living in countries who have on-the-go lifestyles that demand hydration. It provides complete protection by removing all waterborne pathogens, virus, bacteria, protozoan cysts, and filtering chemicals, heavy metals, and even microplastics and deliver clean, great-tasting purified drinking water. Essential tools you carry should look as good as they work. Their color lineup is inspired by locations, environments, and specific user tastes. It is equipped with Topo Grip technology and strategically placed it on all heavy-use surfaces needing to be grasped. It's non-slip, tactile, durable and really grippy in the heat, cold and when wet. Sized for adventure 24 ounces, 710 milliliters, it's unrivaled in ease, speed, versatility and convenience. Above all else, it provides a user experience that's second to none. You'll be self-reliant, and just seconds away from making clean drinking water, anywhere. Number 6. Jetboil Stash. The all-new Stash is designed to be efficient and compact, maximizing your pack space without sacrificing that iconic Jetboil performance. At 7.1 ounces, the 0.8 liters Stash is 40% lighter than the 0.8 liter Zip. Jetboil stoves and systems are obsessively engineered and torture-tested to stand up to the most extreme elements and ambitions. The nesting design makes taking it anywhere compact and easy. It's all about speed with this camping gadget. The Jetboil Stash boils 0.8 liters of water in 2.5-minute boil time with its fluxering technology, which is quicker than it takes to get a hot drink at most coffee shops. The new Jetboil Stash is a standalone stove with titanium burner and 0.8 liters flux ring cookpot and is the lightest Jetboil system ever made. The cookpot with lid and attached pour handle makes for easy handling. The bottom cover can be used as a bowl and measuring cup, which is a handy feature when your meal requires specific measurements. The vessel connects to a burner, which has a push-button igniter, which needs to be connected to a gas cartridge. The color-changing heat indicator on the side of the design lets you know exactly when the water is boiling. Its compatible accessories include the grand coffee press, hanging kit and jet set utensils. The fuel cartridges, self-sealing butane and propane mixed gas cartridges are sold separately, so don't forget to pick those up, otherwise you'll have some pretty disappointed campers on your hands. The storage for 100 grams jet power fuel canister makes adventuring anywhere easy. Number 5. Panga Submersible Backpack. The Panga Submersible Backpack is built for those who live their life on the water and is a 100% waterproof gear fortress equipped to outperform any other backpack out there. It helps to keep your gear dry, whether in a storm or on a lake. Its ergonomic dry-haul shoulder straps offer extra carrying comfort, while the removable chest straps and waist belt provide extra security and stability if you're on a long trek. We like the simplicity of the bag's design, which makes it suitable for a variety of occasions. You can take it into the office and then head off for a spot of post-work spearfishing. Or just walk home in the rain. Whatever you do, your stuff will be 100% dry. Due to the thick skin shell, the bag is puncture and abrasion resistant, so you don't need to be too careful with this hardy number. The stowaway mesh pocket keeps your valuables safe and dry, while the interior sleeve provides extra organization for your on-the-go essentials. Pair it with the Sidekick dry gear case and you'll reach peak storage opportunity. Number 4. SpaceX Air. The SpaceX Air is Australia's first automatic opening, automatic stabilizing and automatic inflating camper. The SpaceX makes no excuses. It was designed to provide the best camping experience you could expect. With great sleeping areas, easy to set up, ample living area and full off-road ability, it is featured packed so you won't even notice you're sleeping away from your home. With double beds on both ends, dinette converts into another bed for extra sleeping area, huge pantry and fridge compartment, all there for your comfort and convenience. This is glamping to the next level. It is equipped with a comprehensive and fully capable electrics that are out of this world, making setup a breeze with automatic features that'll make your camping experience easier than ever before. It also provides with some additional options such as water heater, portable hot water system, air conditioner, bed upgrade and solar panel for those looking for extreme comforts. Designed to go the distance, the SpaceX Air will follow you wherever you decide to go. Now you can have it all. This is one of the best value for money camper you can find. The company is committed to enhancing their sustainability by investing in regional towns and constantly working on new and more efficient ways to deliver great value campers that you will love and want. Stay tuned till the end and give the video a thumbs up while you also smash the subscription. Number 3. Crua Hybrid Set. The concept behind the Crua Hammock Tent Hybrid Full Set is to be the top all-round, all-weather one-person tent, ultimately providing 4 camping essentials in one. And time and again, it's proven itself more than successful. To start, the Crua Hybrid gives you the choice of staying grounded or suspending your tent in the surrounding trees like a cocoon. Then there's the integrated anti-bug mesh which allows you to enjoy the flow of fresh air on balmy summer nights without being plagued by creepy crawlies. Also, a waterproof fly sheet which protects you from the elements in cool, overcast, or rainy conditions. The accessories include ground tent, detachable waterproof rainfly, integrated mosquito and bug net, stuff sack, spreader bars, hammock tree straps, built-in ground sheet, stakes and guy lines. Finally, the customized self-inflating mattress and sleeping bag ensure this compact tent or hammock system fulfills all your camping needs, no matter where your next adventure takes you. Number 2. Luci Solar String Lights. Apart from helping to create a pleasant atmosphere, these warm lights are ideal for using on the go as they can be fully recharged via solar panel. For a quicker boost, there is the option to charge via USB. The lights last for 20 hours on a single charge, which is ideal if you're away camping for the weekend. Hidden inside the expandable unit, Luci Solar String Lights pack 100 lumens into 10 nodes on an 18-feet cord. Along with mobile charging capabilities, this is the perfect way to light up your space. The lights come with hanging clips, so if you want to decorate your tent and give it that homey touch, you can easily hang this camping gadget from above. And if the scene you create is so utterly magical you can't resist a picture, your phone will be ready to go as the lights double as a charger. It is perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, patio, RV camping, tent lighting, beach days and backyard. Number 1. Fenix 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗰𝗲 Headlamp. Scenery behind nights is a secret and looks appealing. The Fenix 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗲 rechargeable headlamp is designed to endure all the elements. This new Fenix headlamp is constructed from ultra-lightweight magnesium material. With 2 Crua LEDs, the Fenix 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗲 headlamp features both an independently controlled spotlight and a floodlight for a combined maximum 1,400 lumens of neutral and white light. The primary power option is a single 18,650 battery. As a secondary option, you can also power the 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗲 with 2 CR123A batteries. The 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗲 also features a USB Type-C charging port to facilitate charging of the 18,650 battery. With an all-new body designed from magnesium, the Fenix 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗰𝗲 headlamp has an IP68 waterproof rating, IP6X dustproof rating, and 2 meters of impact resistance. The included adjustable headband provides comfort and adjustability for a perfect fit in every situation. We recommend using the Fenix 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗰𝗲 for fishing and hunting trips where you will need to light your path quickly and hands-free. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos and contents, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.